Welcome back. Today we're calculating this order of operations problem. 45 divided by 3 squared times 2 plus 3. This problem is a classic PEMDAS puzzle, with both exponents and implied multiplication. Let's solve it step by step. According to the order of operations, we must start inside the parentheses first. That means our very first focus is evaluating 2 plus 3. Step 1. Add 2 plus 3, which equals 5. Substituting 5 back into our expression leaves us with 45 divided by 3 squared times 5. Next in PEMDAS comes exponents. We need to evaluate 3 squared before performing any multiplication or division. Step 2. Evaluate 3 squared. 3 times 3 equals 9. Replacing 3 squared with 9 simplifies our expression to 45 divided by 9 times 5. Now we have division and multiplication remaining. Since they share equal priority, we must work strictly from left to right. Moving from the left, division appears first. Step 3. Divide 45 by 9. 45 divided by 9 equals 5. Now our expression is simply 5 times 5. Step 4. Multiply 5 by 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. So our true final answer is 25.